All right. So let's get started. Lesson 8, right?
Yep. Crazy, we already have our first test.
I know.
Going by so fast.
Yeah. Oh shoot, it is long.
Oh wow, it's
It's
like every
long.
single question.
We'll get this thing going.
Well, yeah, hopefully
Okay.
these are really quick. All right, number 3. Which of the following variables is or are categorical? Um, the toothpaste, right?
Yeah, the toothpaste one.
Mhm.
I mean, IQ test for me. Isn't it the 100 parameter and the 112 statistic?
That's what I was thinking. That's what I put down.
Okay.
Remind me what the parameter is again. That's like a number that like can be explained but doesn't exist or something like that.
Um,
Uh,
I think it's
I
like
don't know. Yeah, go ahead.
I'm trying to figure out how to explain it
I don't know how to
because I think
explain
it's
it, to
just
be
like the
honest.
set value. Um, I don't know how to explain it.
It's
I
like
don't
the
know. I don't know.
is it like the population mean or like what you're comparing it against or what? Because I read the definition in the textbook because I couldn't really remember when I was reviewing and it didn't really make a lot of sense to me. But whatever.
I think
Um,
it's just more of like the broad. Uh, I don't know. I can't.
yeah,
I can't.
I
I'm
don't
sorry.
know either.
No, don't worry about it. It's not your job to explain it to me.
You'll have to look that one up again. All right. Number 5. So what
I
type
thought
of
it
sample
was
should we collect?
I thought it was cluster, but I wasn't for sure on this one.
It might be stratified. I thought it was cluster, and then I saw stratified. So I wonder if stratified.
I'm gonna
Um,
look at
Do
the
you think that's it?
real quick.
Yeah. Let me look over at some other
So
things.
stratified divides the data into similar groups, and a simple random sample is taken from each group.
okay.
So that sounds right.
Yeah, because you're picking each neighborhood and then you're randomly selecting from that neighborhood.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
that
it's
works.
stratified, I believe.
Yeah, I agree. All right.
Which type of sampling scheme is implemented?
Is that stratified?
So,
Because it's picking a group and then it's saying that it randomly selects the teachers.
so wouldn't that be cluster? Because
Um,
Is all the cluster says it's all the items in one specific thing, but it says it randomly selects the teachers of fourth grade students. It doesn't do all the fourth grade teachers.
but it's only fourth grade though, right? Fourth grade students.
Yeah,
that's
but
true,
that's what
because
that's what the stratified is you divide it into groups and then take. Oh no, you're right. I don't know because it says I think you have to take multiple groups for a stratified.
Yeah. I
But
think
the
this is
so
cluster.
it's
thing is
I
the
think
cluster.
cluster. Oh no, you're right. It says takes all items in one or yeah, but it says all items. That's the only thing that's throwing me off
well,
because you're not doing all the teachers. But what else would it be, right?
yeah,
It's not
randomly
physical
selected of
math,
say
it's
fourth
not
grade
simple
students in the
math.
district.
Yeah,
But
I agree.
yeah, it's the
It's,
best answer, I guess.
I agree.
Okay.
Just going off the definition, it sounds a little weird, but I agree it's the best answer.
At a school fundraiser, the name of every person who attended was entered into a drawing. At the end of the evening, 6 names were selected to receive door prizes. Which type of sampling scheme was implemented?
Just simple random?
Simple random? Yeah.
Yep. This isn't too bad. We're moving along pretty good.
Yeah. Hope it doesn't get...
Yeah.
Don't even say it.
I'm not going to say it.
That's stratified, right?
I believe so. Yes, stratified.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh man, we're supposed to use that SPSS thing.
I don't
Shoot.
want to open it. I hate that.
It makes my computer so slow.
Yeah.
All right, let's... Oh.
Maybe we should skip those and do those last. What do you guys think?
I don't care. I'm good with whatever.
Yeah, it doesn't...
so-
I mean, we got to do it either way anyway, so it doesn't matter.
I just don't want it to like boot me again. But all right, let's try it. I don't even remember how to do it.
Where do you go to get this information again? Trying to
The
remember.
SPSS?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
I think you're right though. There's like a page that had all the Excel documents and everything on it.
Yeah, I just got to find that.
Remote desktop connection has encountered a problem and needs to close. We're sorry for the inconvenience. That's not a good start.
Oh no.
Oh, this is such a pain.
It is a pain.
Have you guys been able to connect?
Yeah, I'm getting in there.
Yeah.
Mine keeps saying you were disconnected from the Windows-based computer because of network problems. Verify that your internet connection's working. Well, obviously it's working. What? The worst part is we have to do this for the test too.
I
Yep.
know.
Do you know, did you find, Bailey, where you find that list of things that you bring it up? What folder it's under?
Like, what list of things?
Wasn't there a thing on
Like
iLearn that you opened up and it had that whole list of documents? Like this one is the Crossroads purchases.
Oh, yeah. If you go to, hold on, where did I find it? Where you go to our group meeting page or individual preparation, there's a thing that takes you to that website.
On this week?
Yeah. And then it says like review for exam 1, and then in that, under question 9 or right above it, it has a link that goes to it.
Good news, guys. I'm only a half an hour behind you. I'm finally connecting.
Okay, yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay.
It's opening up in Excel.
See, that's what mine did that one time. And then
Yeah.
randomly, after like you guys were almost done with that section, I went and tried it again, and it opened up in SPSS.
Weird.
That's funny. Actually, I think I can make it open up in a different thing. Okay, I got mine to open up in that.
Awesome.
Just getting into iLearn.
Yeah, I think we have to find the mean, right?
I think that's the first question.
So hold on, you said it was in the individual preparation part of this week or for this lesson?
Yeah.
If you go under the, let's see.
It has like where it says review for exam 1. It's that same website.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So I click on the review for exam 1.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
How did you get yours to open in SPSS? Because mine just opened through Excel.
Yeah. So did your little download bar come up? Like, did it shoot down to the bottom and it showed that it was downloading? Does that make sense?
Is it the Crossroads purchases? Is that the one?
Yeah, that's it. Yep.
So what are you saying? What do I do, Jacob? Like right click it or something?
No, you just click on Crossroads and then go down. It'll bring up the whole page. You click on Crossroads again. When you click on it to download it, it'll bring it up in the download bar and put Show in Folder, and then right-click that and then do Open With, and then find the SPSS and click on that, and it'll open it up.
Gotcha.
Okay, well, let's see, my mean. I got 4.771 for my mean. Standard deviation.
So I don't know how it works on your guys' computer, but for like the first 30 seconds on mine, it appears as an Excel spreadsheet.
Yeah.
And if I wait, then it like refreshes and turns it into an SPSS.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so I got the spreadsheet open. So we're just doing a mean is the first question.
Oh, Bailey's not there anymore.
No.
She just texted. Did you get that text?
I heard my phone, but I figured it wasn't her.
She said, "Sorry guys, I just lost connection."
I thought she was being abnormally quiet.
Yeah.
So what do we do?
Hopefully she can get back in.
Okay, so first question was just the mean of the numbers, right?
Yeah, so I got those two ones. I got the mean already and the standard deviation.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if I can get it while we're waiting for
Can
her
you guys
anyway.
hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, because I don't know what happened. That was weird. Okay.
I love how we didn't
Did it-
even notice.
I was like, well.
I was like, wow, she's been really quiet. She must have figured it out. So for this one, you go to Analyze, right? Descriptive Statistics.
I gotta see what I did again.
Yeah, hold on.
Quartiles, mean.
Shoot, what did I do?
I think I figured it out.
Okay, I have the screen that's up. I just can't even find where I got it, though.
Well, okay, so in the top corner it says
Oh,
statistics.
okay, yeah. You go to Analyze and then Compare Means.
I'm doing the amount. That's what I need to move over.
Okay, yep. So go to the Analyze bar, Compare Means, and click on Means. And then, yeah, the Amount bar.
I got it. So the mean is 4.77. Is that what you got?
I have to look back. 4.771, 3 decimal places. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. And then standard deviation was 1.911.
I gotta go back.
Okay, yeah,
1.91. Standard deviation, I got 1.912.
Oh,
yeah, because you have to round up.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, Jacob, how did you get it from Excel to SPSS? Because mine reopened and it came in Excel.
Did your little download bar pop up at the bottom of your screen like it was downloading?
It didn't, so I went and did it through the old internet thing, like the SPSS internet, and I downloaded it, but it came through as Excel.
If you can go to wherever it like downloaded and put the show, click on the show within folder, and if you can right-click wherever it's at right now and then open with SPSS, if that makes sense.
Okay, I will try it.
If you need help creating the Instagram too, I can tell you guys how to do that. Because that's the next question. What are you laughing at?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
So how many questions are there on the SPSS? Because I don't want to exit out of it until we're done. Is there one more question?
Oh, can you not minimize it?
I can, but remember last time, every time I
That's
minimize it, if I
true.
wait like 30 seconds, it would boot me.
That's the last question, I believe, unless it has you open it up. Let me look really quick again.
But that's the last one for this one, at least.
Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, cool. Good enough for me.
I think I'm just gonna have to do it through Excel because it won't open it, it says. So.
Okay.
So to get the mean, you have to highlight all the numbers.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then, okay.
Oh, I'm so stupid.
What?
When you said if you want to know how to create a histogram, I thought you said Instagram. That's why I was laughing. I thought you were making fun of us that like we weren't tech savvy or something, and that's why I laughed. And you were like,
I know, I'm like, why is that funny that we have to create a Instagram?
That is funny.
Okay,
I was
gotcha.
really to see that question, and now that I see it, I feel really stupid.
What did you guys get for the mean?
I got 4.771.
Okay, perfect. Histogram.
Did you get the standard deviation, Bailey, for the next question?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the histogram, you just go into the other thing and do the graphs and show graphs and everything, right?
Yeah, just go under graphs, other graphs, histogram. So.
Okay. Are we ready for the next question, or are we still?
Yeah, I'm ready whenever you guys are.
I'm reading it right now. Okay, so first we have to find the mean, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 38.05 or 075.
That's what I got.
Okay. So then we do 37.91. So that point 0.165?
Negative 0.165.
Yeah. So
What is the value of the number that goes in the position marked with a B in the table above? Square deviations, okay. Let's see.
so it's 37. You guys get 0.68.
Yep.
Yes, it would be 0.680 or?
681 if you round.
That's true. 0.681.
For 12, did you get 0.165 or negative 1.65?
Negative.
I got negative 0.165.
Okay. That's what I'm just making sure.
No, you're good.
I don't want to get it wrong.
I ask way more dumb questions than anyone else, so.
No, you guys are good.
I thought we were talking about Instagram earlier.
That was pretty funny.
What quantity is equal to the sum of the numbers in the squared deviations column?
Is it just the standard deviation?
Mm.
I'm not sure.
No.
I'm almost tempted to just do it the long way and add it up and see what it equals.
Because I think if you add up all those numbers, it comes out to be what the standard deviation is.
That would make sense.
You might want to check that though. That doesn't.
Okay.
Because it does. It makes sense to me. I see what you're saying. Because essentially it's saying how far are they all from X, and then you're adding them all up. Okay. I don't know how to explain it, but.
Well, because I thought, like, in order to be able to find the standard deviation, that's what we had to do. But I could be wrong.
What quantity is equal to the sum of the numbers in the squared deviations column?
It's definitely not the mean, right?
Well, there is no quantity.
There is no quantity for what?
Well, hold on.
So we're supposed to take all the squared deviations and add them together. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to do it the long way. The only way I know how.
Because the next question asks what's the standard deviation is. I don't know if that means anything.
I like where you're
Find
headed.
standard deviation. Well, I got the standard deviation as 0.715.
I came up with 1.5 through 4.
For standard deviation?
Unless I did it way wrong. Oh, I think I know what I did.
Well, yeah, it's not the mean and it's not the variance. Standard deviation. So then it's not the standard deviation either, if that's 0.715. So it just could be none.
I got 1.611.
For the standard deviation?
No, just for what I did was I took all the square deviations and added them all up.
Okay, so if that was 1.611, I got the standard deviation, the normal as 0.715. So it could just be none of these is correct if it's not that.
Hold on, let me try one more time. I'm going to add them up one more time.
True.
Okay. Because I know it's not the mean or variance.
If you guys can hear my bulldog snoring, I apologize.
I was wondering what that was.
Is that what that is? That's awesome.
That's
I want
funny.
a bulldog.
Me too.
What? Wait. Let me see him again. Yeah.
Doug, look up.
That's awesome.
It's funny.
Conditions, standard deviation can be negative. The standard deviation can't be negative, right?
I don't remember if it can or not.
No, I don't think so because it's basically just saying it's this distance from zero in both directions.
Yeah, it can't be zero. Or, I mean, it can't be negative, excuse me.
Yeah, I got 1.6118 for this because I got 0.027225, and then I got 0.6680625, then I got 0.819025, and then I got 0.085. It adds up to 1.6. So I don't know what 1.6 is. You said that's not the standard deviation. You did the standard deviation. That's not it.
Yeah, number 15, the standard deviation is 0.715. That's what I got.
Okay.
0.715. So none of these? Is that what we're going to go with?
Yeah, that's what I went with.
Okay.
Sounds good.
The standard deviation can be negative, false. All right.
Would it be the extradural?
Extradural?
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
That's the smallest standard deviation.
Yes, most consistent temperature, yeah.
I can definitely define standard deviation in my own words. Third quartile is 8.
8.
Is that right?
Yeah.
50%?
4 hours and 8 hours? Yeah, 50.
Oh, sure. This is why I didn't take Chem 106.
I'm in Chem 105 right now.
Who do you have?
Bowden.
How is it?
He's pretty good. I mean, it's tough, but he's a good teacher.
I'm not proud of it, but I actually didn't study at all for the final because I did the what if calculator, and if I got a 0 on the final, then I would have still passed the class, so I just didn't even study.
For Chem 105? Oh my
I went from
gosh, that's crazy.
The worst part is I went from like an 83 to like a 79, so had I even just studied a little bit, I could have kept a B.
Alright, estimate the mean of the measured nitrate concentration in North drinking water.
Okay, estimate the mean of the measured nitrate.
Let's see. I got 2.055.
How did you figure this one out?
Just hold on, let me do this again. Hold on. Well, for the mean, you just add those two together and divide it by 2. The 1.59 and 2.52.
Okay.
I just wanted to make sure again that I got that right. I did it kind of fast.
Okay, yeah, because I see what you did.
Estimate the standard deviation of the measured nitrate concentration in Rexburg's drinking water.
So you got 2.055?
Yeah.
Estimate the standard deviation.
Okay, hold on a second now.
Been a while since I've taken algebra, but can't you just divide the mean by 2? Wait. No, hold on.
No.
Yeah, that's wrong.
Let's see. I don't know if it's right. I got let's see. 0.233.
What did you say you got, Jacob?
0.233.
How'd you do that?
Yeah, I
I
have
don't
no
know.
idea what to do.
It's kind of tough.
I'm
Don't you
confused.
just? Let me see the numbers again.
So what I did was I took like the U, I forget what it's called, minus 2 omega, and I set it equal to 1.59 parts per million because that's what it says it equals, and then I just did like simple algebra and solved for omega, which is the standard deviation, and I got negative 0.386, which obviously can't be a negative. So that's not the way to do it.
Um,
I don't
I don't know if
remember.
this is confusing me.
I didn't even remember doing one like this.
oh, like this. No, that could be totally. I just kind of. I don't know.
I don't know what to do, guys.
Hold on one sec.
So I'm reading here. I just Googled it 'cause it says that work out the standard deviation, work out the mean, then subtract the mean from each number and square the result like we were doing. But then we find the mean of those squared differences and take the square root of it. I'll try it and see what happens.
I just put it into the standard deviation calculator online right now.
Did it work?
Yeah.
What did it say?
I got 0.233.
Hmm.
Don't know if that's right, but that's what I'm going with.
Sounds like it could be right.
I just gotta study. I'll study that more later on and make sure I get that. Between what two measured nitrogen concentrations do approximately 60% of the data values of Y. Guess this 1.822.
Yep. What is the value of the mean of the standard normal distribution? Don't we only have two values?
Hold on one sec. the value of the mean of a standard normal distribution. Wouldn't it be 0?
Why would it be 0?
Because we don't have one, I don't think. The value of the mean of a standard normal.
Hmm.
It's a standard normal distribution.
Would it just be the same number?
See, because I'm kind of looking at it online, it looks like it would just be 0.
Maybe.
I think so. Yeah, I remember reading a little bit about this, the standard normal distribution and then the standard
I think you're
deviation
right.
of a standard normal distribution. Because I think the next one is 1. What I was just looking at online too.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that can make sense.
Does that make sense?
I think,
Yeah, I
yeah.
think so.
Okay.
And I actually do remember reading that too. I don't remember the 0, but I remember the number 25. I remember that one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I remember the 1. So, okay.
Admission committees.
What is the probability that a randomly selected student will score above 542.3 on the GMAT? Let's see.
So this one doesn't have the square root of n, right? That's what got me last time.
No.
I could never remember when to use it, when not to. Okay, so wouldn't it be 50%?
I got 68%.
But it'll be.
But I don't know if I did it right.
You might have. That makes sense with that 68 rule or whatever. The only reason I asked that is because it's the same as the mean. So if the mean's 542.3.
I don't think it'll be a percent though. I think it'll be a decimal.
Yeah. So
Round to the nearest tenth. So it'd be like, if it was like 50, it'd be like 0.5. It might be 50.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, yeah, that sounds right actually. 0.5.
Because if you use the formula, you're going to get 0 over 120.54.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I don't really get that. So, but if it's the mean, what's the probability that a randomly selected student will score the mean or above?
Oh, I did. Just kidding.
Yeah, it's 0.5.
Okay.
If you use
Yeah.
the applet and you just bring your z-score into 0, because
Uh-huh.
that's
Yeah.
because you get 0 over 120.54, then that makes your area 0.5000.
Okay. What is the probability that a randomly selected student will score below 600? Okay.
And that's why it says nearest tenth.
The next one is 0.68 for. Well, that's what I got.
Wow. On the ball, huh?
Yeah. 0.684. Probability that a randomly selected student will score 600 or above.
Would it be 0.316?
Yep. Exactly. And the GMAT score that corresponds to the 10th percentile.
Hold on, so the 28 was 0.316?
Yeah.
The 27 is the opposite of that, right?
Yeah, 0.684.
Okay. To the 10th percentile?
How do we do percentiles again?
Just do the area instead of the z-score. I think you just do
Yes.
0.1, and then you do everything above that.
Oh, okay.
Does that make sense?
Hmm.
I did a really terrible job of explaining it, so if you understood that.
No, I got it.
So did you get 1.282? Oh wait, that's the
No.
standard deviation. That's the standard deviation, so.
Oh, whoops.
Round to the nearest whole number.
Is it 696 point or 697 then?
Okay, wait. How did you do the percentile thing again? You enter it into the.
I did it on the
Applet.
applet, but I don't think, yeah. So I entered it into the applet. I did 0.1 for the area, which gave me a z-score of 1.282.
Yeah.
And so I took the score and I multiplied it by the standard deviation, 120.54, and then I added that to the mean.
Okay.
I think you've got it flipped though, because the next one's the 90th percentile, and I think that will be the 697.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right.
Okay.
I did it on the applet, but I did it the other way, I think.
Yeah, no, you're right.
Okay.
I was thinking top 10th percentile, but it doesn't say that.
Okay, so the 10th percentile,
Well,
the other
what
way
was
would be.
It would be the same thing. It would just be negative, right?
No, it wouldn't be.
Or you would
Hold on.
subtract it. You would subtract it. That's what you do.
388.
120 point.
Yeah. 88.
388.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Find the first quartile of the distribution of GMAT scores. The first quartile.
So it'd be the 25th percentile.
Yeah.
So it'd be 0.25 and everything below it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
0.674. $461.
Almost there. Hold on.
Um,
Yeah, I got 461. That's good.
Do you get how we got that, baby?
did you enter in 0.25 for in that area, right?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And then I selected everything to the left, which is
Of the first
0.674.
bar? Oh, okay. I didn't do the second bar. I just did the first one. Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
Yep. We're good.
Find the third quartile. Let's see. The differences.
$624.
Yep, that's what I got.
Yep, 624. Students taking the GMAT. What is the mean of the distribution of sample mean scores for all such samples? All of them.
Okay, so it's
Wasn't that just... Oh. Isn't that just the 542.3? Are normally distributed with a mean of 542.3.
Do we?
That makes
What do we
sense?
use? The 600 or the 500? Do we not use it?
I don't
what
think
do you
it...
guys talk about?
So in the beginning where it talked in the paragraph, what is the mean of the distribution of sample mean? Mean scores for all such samples. This is the beginning. It says
Oh.
normally distributed with a mean of 542.3. So it gives it to you.
So it's just 542.3.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is the standard deviation of the distribution? That is... let's see.
Would that be the same too, or do you divide that by 15?
Hold on 1 second. It's always these standard deviation ones that throw us off.
Yeah.
Let's see. I think I'm almost there.
I found the answer for 35 because I got lost on 34 and didn't know where to go, so I just did 35.
What'd you
What'd you
get for
get for
35?
35?
I got 1.854.
Yeah, same here.
1.854?
Uh-huh.
How'd you get that?
Take 600 minus the mean, 542.3. Divide that by 120.54 over the square root of 15. You get
Yep, that's what I
57.7 over 31.123, which equals 1.8539, which rounds to 1.854. Oh wait, that's the
Did you use the 15?
z-score. That's the z-score. So now we have to put the z-score.
Okay, yeah.
Good catch.
1.854, and it's greater than 600. Be 0.032.
Yeah.
Okay, yep. Okay, I got 0.032.
Okay. I just need to make sure I put my z-scores into the applet and not just submit them.
Okay.
Yeah, same.
34. Let's see. I got a number, but I don't know if it's right.
What is the standard
I
deviation?
don't know for sure what to even do with that one because I'm not
Because it says the
understanding
sample
it.
mean scores for all such samples. What such samples? Is it
Yeah,
talking about?
that's what I'm wondering.
I think it's just from the um
God, this sucks.
Mm,
I'm looking at something online real quick about this. Hold on. Because you use the 542.3 using the standard deviation. So I just use the numbers that they gave you
mhm.
and put it into like this generator thing online. I don't know if it's the right answer.
What did it come up with?
I got 31.123.
I got that number. Let me figure out how I got it.
I got it. It's 120. It's the 120.54 over the square root of 15.
Oh yeah.
Okay, is that it?
Yep.
Yeah. I thought so,
Yeah.
because it asked me what the random sample the students is. So that's right. 31.123.
But my question is, how do we know that we're taking sample sizes of 15? I guess that's why I think the question's confusing to me, because when it says for all such samples, I don't know. Is it referring to question 33?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah,
Okay.
for sure.
Okay, well then that makes sense. So it'd be 31.123.
All right, I think we're done.
I'm scared about this one
Me
though.
too.
I don't know. I feel pretty confident about a lot of those actually. Should we submit it?
I'm gonna go for it.
Yeah.
100%.
What? Look at that.
Awesome.
Dang.
Cool.
Sweet.
Not only did I get 100%, but I learned a couple of things.
Dang.
Yeah.
Any questions about anything then? Oh.
No, I think
I
we
don't
figured
think
it all out.
so. I just gotta study more.
Yeah.
So.
I just
Good
need to
luck
be
on-
really careful that I read the question and like know what answer they're looking for.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm always like
Definitely, so.
switching
Yeah.
them around and stuff. So,
All right.
Mhm.
all right, cool. Thanks,
Good
guys.
good luck on the test.
I'll definitely need it.
Yeah, you too.
All right.
Okay.
We'll plan. Oh, so on Thursday, I get off work at 3:30, so I'll just be like 15 minutes late. Is that okay?
That's fine with me.
Okay. I just gotta.
I actually have to work. I have to work till 5 on Thursday.
You work till
So,
5?
Do you guys want to do it after? Yeah, I do. And I tried switching it, but no one
That's
listens
fine.
to me.
No, that's fine with
So,
me.
you want to do it when I get back, or
Yeah,
could do it right before 2:30?
I don't really have time
Let's see.
before because I don't get off work.
I work at 2:30.
I work from 8 till 2, so I think after would be better.
After we can plan on
Okay.
what's the earliest time then right after work you could do then, Bailey?
Like, I'm sure I can get off right at 5, so I could be back by like 5:15.
Do you want to shoot for like
at
5:30?
least, so. Yeah, that's fine. That would work.
Will that give you enough time?
Yeah,
Okay.
that should be fine.
Okay, we
That
can
works.
we'll plan on 5:30. If you need till 6, we can shoot for that. I don't think I have anything going on, so but we can keep in touch. So.
Okay.
Cool.
All right.
Alright,
See you
sounds
guys
good.
then.
Thanks, guys.